This is a very simple tutorial to make a little rose hair clip by braiding some leftover ribbon. I used a hand needle and thread to secure this rose together, but you can easily make this a no-sew project by using a couple dabs of hot glue instead. So start by attaching the 3 ribbons at one end. Then you want to braid the ribbons. Fold the ribbons over each other to create the braid with the ribbons and make it look nice and neat. Once you reach the end of the braid, fold the ribbon over the end and sew or glue it in place. Now we want to roll the braid around itself to create the rose. The longer your braid is, the bigger your rose will be. If you're sewing it, you'll wait to secure it until after you finish rolling it and just sew through all the layers. If you're gluing it, you probably want to put a little dab of glue between each layer that you're rolling. And that's your finished flower. Now you can add it to a hair clip or use it as a decoration in a flower bouquet or use it however you like.